Today I'm going to be making arroz con gandules, and since it's a very popular dish in Puerto Rico, I really love it. And I'm Puerto Rican, so it's a good match. So the ingredients you're going to be needing is sazon, 2 packs, salt, pigeon peas, sofrito, and sofrito is actually a seasoning made out of peppers and garlic and cilantro, and since my family's Puerto Rican, we make it from scratch. Tomato paste, coconut oil, and the last and most important ingredient is rice. The first step is to rinse your rice because there is a white coating on the rice. First, we saute our coconut oil and sofrito. You want to stir in your rice to your coconut oil and sofrito. Fun fact, my great-grandmother, she used to go through every single piece of rice and make sure there were no bad ones before she cooked it. After you stir that together, you add your sazon. I just got done adding a heaping spoonful of tomato paste to my mixture. Now I'm going to add gandules and stir. Next, I'm going to add in water and stir. The next thing I'm going to add is a little salt to taste and then stir. Cover it and set a timer for 20 minutes. Buen provecho!